Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DCTH. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've been doing this analysis on a very routine basis, including yesterday. And after today's price action, it seems as though the bulls, I mean, they're hanging in there, but they don't really have any sort of genuine power in the sense of, making upwards moves, but more importantly, being able to sustain them. Case in point, the past couple of days, you can see right here, sure, it was a great upwards move. I mean, this was quite the bounce, a very nice green candle. But then when it came to sustaining the move, there was no sustaining it. Down the price went. Again, right here, opening 30 minutes, good solid green candle, nice upwards move. I'll give credit where credit's due. As far as sustaining it, didn't happen, spent the rest of the day drifting downwards. So unless something changes in terms of news or just some sort of catalyst, it seems as though people are starting to lose interest in this one, are moving on to other stocks that are moving. And if you were to back me into a corner, in my opinion, it's only a matter of time before the price, gives it another go down here at this pink line, which is the very important 200 period simple moving average. So that pink line there is, and like I've said before, even if you have just a very basic surface deep understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 200 period. And you know that when the price is above it, assuming you're bullish, of course, you want to see the price stay above it. So to give, again, credit where credit's due, yes, the bulls are still maintaining up above this overall moving average. But in terms of this short-term price action over the past few days, it's just, there doesn't seem to be any sort of worthwhile strength, behind any of these movements, and it just keeps getting smacked back down. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, yeah, I mean, the overall one is up here at that purple line, the 50-period simple moving average, but not really that interesting to talk about levels of resistance right now because any sort of upwards price movement keeps getting, pushed back down. So at this point, I think that the key kind of wonder, the key question has nothing to do with levels of resistance. It has to do with, are the bulls going to be able to stabilize the price and start to, get some sort of sustaining upwards price movement? And I'm not saying that this thing's got to get up to 16 cents. I'm just saying if there is some sort of good solid green candle, just maintain the gains. The price just keeps on drifting downwards, and that could very well be a leading indicator of a potential big technical event happening, which would be a breaking down below of that pink line, the 200 period simple moving average. So things are looking pretty shaky here. We'll see how the rest of this week unfolds. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.